Greetings, I'm Dr. Seth Jenny, and in this video I'm going to talk about common APA, American Psychological Association referencing style common errors. So again, I always want to draw your attention to the free online resource, the Purdue OWL Online Writing Lab. There's the website. Check it out. Great examples, great tips, very comprehensive. So let's dig into common APA errors that I see with students submitting assignments, submitting discussions, submitting presentations. So here's one. When you are listing a two-author source, use A and D mid-sentence. If it's a citation at the end of a sentence, you're going to be using the and sign. I see some errors with et al. If there are three authors or more from the very beginning, use the first author's last name and then et al. And notice where the period is located. Other common comma errors. Sometimes I'll see students where they'll put the first author's last name and then no commas, but then the year directly after the year of publication. They'll forget the commas. So notice the yellow there. For direct quotes, less than 40 words, a lot of times I'll see direct quote as citation, but they'll forget the page number. Make sure that anytime you use a direct quote, it's a page number. If it's from a website, it's the paragraph number, P-A-R-A, period. Other types of issues where I'll see many more authors listed than needed to be listed for that same source. I will also see initials in the body of a response which don't need to be anywhere except the reference list. Other things that I will see, sometimes students will list the first page that the article is on rather than the full page range. So for this example, the student listed 36 and not 36 to 42, which is the page range. Little bonus section for you here, common writing corrections. When you're giving responses in a research paper, in a presentation with PowerPoint, in a discussion response, please don't bring up a study and say that this single study proves something. We remember we're talking about the preponderance of evidence. You want to have multiple sources that demonstrate something, but don't use the term prove whenever you're bringing up a single source. And really, I just try to avoid using that word. Another common thing I'll see, and maybe this is a strategy students use to make their answer look longer, but they will put the entire title of a study in their response. And at the top of this slide I don't care. I do care, but I don't care if it's in the body of the response. I want to see it where? In the reference list. So if you're citing Epstein 2007, et al. 2007, I can go into the reference list and see the entire title of the study. So unless it's really crucial to what you're discussing, don't give me the entire title of the study until you are providing the APA reference list at the end. Here's another reminder about where period goes for et al. It does not go after the et, but it does go after the all for all others, Latin. Please do not make claims or facts or arguable information without a citation. Okay, that's hopefully through this video series you can see that if you talk about, okay, obesity is the #1 health concern in the United States today. Well, according to who? Is the CDC 2013? All right. And I would say, well, 2013 is a little old. I'd like to see a more recent citation, but at least you have one there. Don't make claims without Citation support, please, please, please. So here's a response. League of Legends is the top video game of 2021. According to who? Your own personal opinion? Sorry, I got the video covered here, but it is according to the Esports Observer, which is a fairly reputable source, and we have the year. League of Legends is what it says, tier 1 impactful PC video game for 2021. They have a ranking system. They have a methodology in which they provide to rank those various levels of esports game titles. So do you see the difference where that is your opinion versus this is more evidence to support things in a more stringent? Don't afraid to reach out with questions. If you're in one of my online classes, use the Ask the Professor discussion board so that everybody can see that question and my response. And follow me on Twitter. I've got a lot of good esports research put on there. Have a good one.